Hello, wonderful viewers! Today, we're whisking you away on a delightful culinary journey that promises not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a nourishing embrace for your soul. We are crafting a pot brimming with warmth and vibrancy, a spiced carrot and lentil soup that's as heartwarming as it is flavorful. Join us as we delve into a recipe that embodies comfort and nourishment, blending together the earthy sweetness of carrots and the wholesome richness of lentils, all brought to life with a burst of aromatic spices. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills and treat yourself to a bowl of pure bliss. Ingredient: golden carrots, approximately 500 grams. Their natural sweetness will form the backbone of our soup. Red lentils, about 250 grams. They will provide a hearty, protein-rich base that complements the carrots beautifully. Onion and garlic, 1 large onion and about 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped to add a depth of flavor. Ginger, a thumb-sized piece, finely grated, adding a zesty undertone to our concoction. Vegetable stock, 1.5 liters, to create a rich and sumptuous broth. Coconut milk, 400 milliliters, to give our soup a creamy and luxurious texture. Fresh herbs, a lush mixture of coriander, parsley, and thyme, finely chopped, to add a burst of freshness. Spice blend, a rich blend of ground coriander, cumin, turmeric, and a sprinkle of cayenne pepper to infuse a warm, spicy note. Olive oil, a generous glug for sautéing, adding a richness to our base. Salt and pepper, to season our soup to perfection, enhancing the natural flavors of our ingredients. Now that we've acquainted ourselves with our vibrant cast of ingredients, let's immerse ourselves into the delightful process of bringing our spiced carrot and lentil soup to life. Step number 1. Building a flavorful foundation. Begin by warming a generous splash of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onions, sautéing them until they become translucent and fragrant. This forms the foundation of our soup, setting the stage for a masterpiece in the making. Step number 2. Infusing aromatic spices. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, allowing them to sizzle and release their aromatic oils. Now, it's time to add our vibrant blend of spices, stirring continuously to form a paste that's rich and deeply fragrant. This step is essential in unlocking the true potential of our spice blend, creating a base that's aromatic and full of depth. Step number 3. Incorporating our star ingredients. Add the chopped carrots, letting them bask in this spicy concoction for a few minutes. Following the carrots, usher in the lentils, mixing them in to ensure they are well coated with our vibrant base, setting the stage for a marriage of flavors that is both hearty and fulfilling. Step number 4. The symphony of liquids. Pour in the vegetable stock, followed by the creamy coconut milk, transforming the mixture into a liquid haven of flavors and aromas. Let your senses be captivated by the beautiful hues and the evolving fragrance as our soup begins its simmering journey, melding the ingredients into a harmonious blend over the next 30 to 40 minutes. Step number 5. The art of blending. As our soup reaches the point of harmony where each ingredient has given its best, it's time to blend. Use an immersion blender to create a smooth, velvety texture that's both comforting and pleasing to the palate. Step number 6. The grand finale. And now, for the grand finale. Ladle the soup into your favorite bowl, garnishing it with a vibrant sprinkle of fresh herbs and a drizzle of olive oil, adding a touch of luxury and freshness. Your spiced carrot and lentil soup is now ready to be served, promising a comforting embrace with every spoonful. Serving suggestions and farewell. This splendid soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of rustic bread or a side of roasted vegetables, creating a meal that's not only comforting but also incredibly nourishing. As you savor this culinary delight, let each spoonful remind you of the beauty of simple ingredients coming together to create something truly magical. Thank you for joining us on this delightful culinary adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this recipe useful. And for more empowering and enriching content, make sure to subscribe.